How to turn on page messages settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page messages settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just scroll down and click pages, and here select your page, and now click this settings icon here and click notifications, and then click on Facebook, and here you will find messages. You will find it like that. All you need to do is just one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.